Polynomial of odd degree with real coefficients must have only one real root, at least one real root, no real root, and last one option is at least one real root which is not real. So you can solve this problem with ease because we study fundamental theorem of algebra. Using this theorem, we can easily tell about real roots of the polynomial. So if an polynomial of n degree can be written as, suppose this is a polynomial of n degree and can be written as a naught plus a1 x raised to the power 1, a2 x square, and so on up to an x raised to the power n. This is a polynomial. So using fundamental theorem of algebra, either this coefficient a naught, a1, and so on, or you can write simply ai's belongs to set of complex number. If set of complex number, then you can say ai maybe belongs to set of real. So there is no effect from where this is coming, but question is particularly about coefficients a1, a0, a1, and others. These an are coming from real set. If they are coming from real set and odd degree and about odd degree, then what is the necessary condition for this? Fundamental theorem of algebra says nth degree polynomial has exactly n root. Has exactly n roots. If roots are in complex or complex roots, then we know that complex root always comes in pair. So you can consider a polynomial of 3 degree. You can consider a polynomial of 3 degree to justify your argument. Suppose a naught plus a1 x1, a2 x square plus a3 x raised to the power 3. This is the polynomial of 3 degree, and you can consider any odd degree polynomial. So this is polynomial of 3 degree. So if there will be 3 roots, all are real. The possibility is all are reals. If there is two complex roots, then one will be real root, because of complex root comes in pair. So we can make only one pair here and one remains, so one will be real root. Or you can take idea from the Descartes rule from here. As you can see, a naught plus a1 x square, then find the sign change. If sign change is there, then number of positive real roots, then they will tell you number of positive real root. If after the transformation x to minus x, then it will tell you number of negative real root. Add all of them, you will get the answer somehow. Only one real root, means option first, not only, at least one real root. Option B is true.